So, the Apple Watch Series 11 that I ordered to replace my Apple Watch Series 7 that has been my main Apple Watch since February 2023 has finally arrived. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at this box. So on the front is just basic Apple Watch, embedding very basic for Apple Watches, or nothing out of the ordinary. And then this right here is just some more information, which is that this is a natural titanium model, and that's the 46mm because I prefer bigger screens on watches because my fingers are pretty big. I like the titanium variant because I want a more durable screen that doesn't scratch quite as easily, and of course the titanium variant comes with a sapphire crystal. Now it's like look at that titanium, and I also wanted this over the Ultra 3 because it's had not only some great battery life, which I didn't mind, but also it's lighter, and this has a more suitable design for formal occasions, which I do like. So let's go ahead and let's unbox this watch without further ado. And right here, this is a very self-explanatory box, and right here, here's the watch itself, which I'll set to the side for the moment. Then we have the actual band itself. So this right here is just a basic Apple Watch Sport Loop band. I'll go ahead and unbox this band now. And just like that, this comes with some basic manuals and then the actual gorgeous band itself. It's actually a very nice band. It's nice to use with my Apple Watch. Because lately I've been getting more into the official Apple bands, because this one I have on my Apple Watch Series 7 isn't officially Apple, but I never refer to official Apple Watch bands. This right here is the actual Apple Watch itself, which is advertising at a time of 11:10, which is a bit unusual because I'm surprised it didn't do 9:41. But right here, let's just say it's some more information about the watch, and that this was actually assembled in Vietnam, believe it or not, because that's something Apple's trying out more. So right here it says Apple Watch natural titanium case. So let's go ahead and let's open this up right here. No hiding the serial number because serial number, well, I explained more in the video I'll link here, but serial numbers on Apple devices can be, there's some nasty things that can be done with this. And also I do like how this is a cellular Apple Watch, so that way I can leave my phone behind in some cases. This right here is the Apple braided USB-C cable, which I'll just put this back in the box for now since I already have an Apple Watch cable, but I might use this later. But then right here, this is the actual watch itself, which, oh my, this is gorgeous. Dang, don't want to mess it up. And right here, as you can tell, it's already booting up, but in case you didn't see my latest community post or also my Twitter or Instagram posts, I can't really use this watch because I don't update my phones, you know, and my iPhone 17 Pro that I ordered has been delayed by an entire 2 weeks. So in other words, I can't really use this watch without updating one of my iPhones running a rare iOS version. So yeah, that's the status of my watch, but that's really it for this video. So as always, did any of you order an Apple Watch Series 11? Please comment that down below. As always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the Actions family, and peace out.